Hi loves, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, we are going to be making breakfast meal prep recipe. We are making egg muffins that is delicious and healthy. I'll leave all the ingredients in the description box below for easy access. So I'll start by chopping all my vegetables and all the proteins and all the other ingredients I'll be using to make the muffin. This recipe goes quickly, so chopping or preparing all the veggies and all other things help a lot. So I'll be chopping my bell peppers, onions, cherry tomato. I'll grate some cheese, carrots, spinach, broccoli, green onions, and also I'll be cooking some bacon and some sausage as well. You can choose any vegetable that you would like. This is just what I prefer, so feel free to switch them and use the best or the one you prefer. So now I'm just chopping my broccoli, and I have 2 cups of baby spinach that I will be chopping as well. So now I have all my veggies and my cheese. They are all chopped nicely down, and my broccoli and spinach. Moving on, I will be cutting some bacon that I will be cooking as well, and I'll set them aside. I will be cooking my breakfast sausage. I'm just going to cook it nicely, and I will also be adding 1 clove of garlic, to that I'll add some chopped onions, and I will also add 2 cups of baby spinach. I'll give everything a good stir, and I'll cook this for about 2 minutes on medium heat. I will not let it to be overcooked because it's still going to be cooking in the oven. So I'll turn off the heat and set them aside. Moving on, I'm going to be cooking my bacon. I'm just going to cook it to my preferred crispiness, and I will transfer them onto my paper towel to absorb the excess oil. Now we have prepared everything for the muffin. It is time to crack some egg. I'm going to be using a dozen egg, so I'm just going to be cracking about 7 into my cup. My cup is not big enough. You can use a bowl. I'm using this cup so the pouring can be easy for me. So I'll be cracking the eggs in 2 batches. I'll add some salt and pepper, and I'm going to be mixing this very well until it is well incorporated. I will also prepare my muffin thins by greasing them with some oil or butter to prevent the egg muffin from sticking into it when baking. You can add the veggies in any order. There is no right way or wrong way of doing this. So I'm going to be making 4 types of egg muffin. In the first one, I'll add my broccoli, my carrots, my bacon, and I'll fill it up with the egg mixture. In the next, I'm going to be adding the sausage and spinach first. And I'll also add some bell peppers. And I will also be adding some green onions, some cheese, and I'm going to be filling them up with the egg mixture. You can also add the egg mixture into the muffin thins first before adding the veggies. I will be cracking some more eggs and season them with pepper and salt to taste and mix it very well. In the next muffin tin, I'm going to be adding my chopped spinach, cherry tomatoes. I'll also add some carrots, cheese, and I'll fill them with the egg mixture. In the next one, I pour the egg mixture first. I'll add my bell peppers, green onions, and I will also be adding some spinach and some cherry tomato, green onions as well, and some cheese. And I'm going to be baking this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. And after that, our delicious and healthy egg muffin is ready, and a healthy breakfast meal prep recipe that I know you will love. Thank you so much for watching this video throughout, and I appreciate you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.